Today, we're diving into how you can add beats to your audio in CapCut for PC, making your video edits pop with perfect timing and rhythm. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to detect and adjust beats, giving your projects that professional edge, whether you're making music videos, vlogs, or anything in between. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open CapCut on your computer. If this is your first time opening the program, take a second to get familiar with the layout. It's intuitive, and you'll find everything you need right in front of you. Once you're ready, click on Create New. This is basically starting with a fresh workspace, and it ensures anything you do next won't interfere with old projects. Think of it like starting with a blank piece of paper. No distractions, just your vision and the tools you'll need. Now, select Blank Canvas. This step is crucial because CapCut actually gives you a few choices. And starting with a blank canvas keeps everything flexible. You aren't locked into any templates, and you can build your edit exactly as you want. Once that's done, you'll see your main editing area open up. Next, it's time to bring in your audio. Click on Audio, which is usually right there in the toolbar. You can either browse CapCut's awesome library of tracks, or, if you have your own music, just drag it in and select it. If you're unsure which audio to pick, imagine the mood you want for your video. Maybe upbeat for travel footage or something mellow for a calming montage. When you've found the winner, tap the plus sign to add it to your timeline. This is where the magic starts happening. Your soundtrack is like the backbone of your edit. After you've added your audio, click to select it in the timeline. This highlights the track and will bring up a panel on the right side of the screen. Look for the tab labeled Basic. Inside this section, you'll see the option to enable beat detection. Turn this on. What CapCut does here is super cool. It automatically scans your audio for the rhythm and points out the beats. This helps you sync cuts, effects, or transitions with the pulse of the music, which is what really makes a video feel fun and professional. Beat detection might take a few moments, especially if your audio is long or complex, so don't worry if you see a loading circle. Just let CapCut do its thing. It's working hard to analyze each peak and valley in the sound wave. Once it's done, you'll notice markers appear right along your audio track. These little dots or lines represent where the strongest beats hit, giving you a visual guide for your editing moves. Now that the beat markers are in place, you can further adjust the beat frequency to match your style. On the same right-hand panel, you'll see options for frequency adjustment. If you want more frequent beat markers, say for a hyper-energetic montage, move the slider to increase the frequency. If your video needs subtler, spaced-out transitions, dial it back. Play around here and preview what you're seeing. Every project is unique, and this is where you can tailor the edit to fit your exact vibe. It's a bit like seasoning food. Add a little at a time until it feels just right. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized beat markers in CapCut on your PC. The whole process lets you sync visual effects and cuts with your music, making your edits so much more engaging. Thanks for tuning in. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have questions or if you want to see more editing tips. And of course, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new CapCut tutorials and creative guides. Happy editing!